How to download and configure Epson Connect Setup Utility. Complete guide to downloading, installing and configuring Epson Connect. Welcome. Learn how to set up Epson Connect for wireless and cloud printing. What is Epson Connect? A service that enables remote printing, scanning, and cloud connectivity. Requirements: Epson printer, internet connection, computer/mobile device, and Wi-Fi network. Download the setup utility. Download the Epson Connect Printer Setup Utility from Epson Support. Install the utility. Run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. Register your printer. Create or sign in to your Epson Connect account and register the printer. Configure services. Set up email print, remote print, scan to cloud, and mobile printing. Connect to Wi-Fi. Choose your network and enter the Wi-Fi password. Test your setup. Print a test page to verify connectivity and functionality. Troubleshooting. Check network settings, restart devices, and update drivers if needed. Thank you. Your Epson Connect setup is complete. Enjoy convenient wireless printing.